Guys, how are you? So today I will react on a video which is about Sri Lanka, uh, heart of the Indian Ocean. And Sri Lanka, I know that it's a island country, and it's also called the tier country. I've heard that people say it's a tier of the Indian subcontinent. It's a tear from the eye of the Indian subcontinent. So I will react on this country. Even I don't know too much about Sri Lanka. I haven't been there ever, and I haven't watched any video about Sri Lanka before. This is the very first time I will watch a video about Sri Lanka, and it's not too much long. It's just like 4 and just 5 minutes long. So let's see that how is Sri Lanka, and then I'll make my comment about Sri Lanka after watching this video, guys. So here we go. We'll start now. Sri Lanka. I've heard that it's a green country. It's lush green and it's quite near to the equator. It's warm and green. It rains too much there, and people are much decent there. They are finest people with regards to etiquettes. I've heard about this before and too much. I would love to go there, Sri Lanka. The scenery, the photos, the like clips, and the music, the combination was fantastic. I mean, uh, well, impressed too much. And all of the scenery, I think so, have been taken from all around Sri Lanka. So it has put a fantastic impact on me. So definitely, I would love to go there sometime and very soon. And I'm gonna like visit all the countries in South Asia, especially. So Sri Lanka would be, of course, on first number in my on the top in my visiting list, inshallah. Okay, guys, thank you very much.